I would refer friends and colleagues coming to this workshop. It is a great learning experience and a great tool that you can use for the rest of your life.
It's not a one-time thing. You have to continue to learn and continue to grow and continue to make yourself better. And so that is definitely why I'll keep coming back.
You know, I think my concerns were the loss of revenue for an entire day, spending that on out of the office, out of the field. But you know, having owned agencies for so long, I know that you have to invest. And I must say this was probably one of the best investments ever.
And if you're a new person that's just starting out, be so thankful that you're starting out with these tools, because if I would have had these tools on day one of selling insurance, I'd be in a whole other level by now.